everyone, my name is Silvio Cago. Under Christopher Gonzaga. Ito yung diagram na installin natin ngayon. One bulb controlled by 3 switches into different location. Ito yung line 1 ground terminal bulb 1. Ito yung line 2 live terminal. Connect natin ito sa 0. Tsaka mag-jump tayo 1 to 3. Tsaka ito yung 0 to connect bulb 1. Ito yung live. Gagawa tayo ng 1 bulb, 2 switch. Ito yung live terminal, tsaka ito yung ground terminal. Ipapasok natin dito sa 0 yung live terminal. Ito yung jumper natin 1 to 1. Tsaka ito yung jumper natin 3 to 3. Ito yung nag-jump tayo 1 to 1. Pasok natin. Tsaka itong 3 pasok natin din. Tsaka ito yung source natin na live. Lagay natin sa 0. Ito 0. At ngayon, tapos na yung install natin 1 bulb, 2 switch. At ngayon, pailawin natin yung ginagawa natin kanina na tapos na 1 bulb, 2 switch. Tsaka pailawin natin. Ito yung 1 switch. Tsaka ito yung 2 switch. Son. Up. Pwede ka pumindot kahit saan kayo mag-off on. Go. Thank you very much.